If you're experiencing MECCHA Chameleon not launching, crashing on startup, getting stuck on a loading screen, freezing, or showing a black screen on PC, don't worry because these issues are usually caused by corrupted game files, outdated graphics drivers, missing Visual C++ components, overlay conflicts, antivirus interference, or system compatibility problems. The game may close immediately after launch, get stuck on a black screen, freeze during loading, or fail to open altogether. In this video, I'll show you several working fixes that can help get MECCHA Chameleon running properly again. Solution 1. Restart your PC. The first thing you should do is restart your computer completely. Temporary system glitches and background processes can sometimes prevent games from launching correctly. After restarting, try launching MECCHA Chameleon again. Solution 2. Verify game files. Corrupted or missing game files are one of the most common causes of startup crashes and loading issues. Open Steam or your game launcher, locate MECCHA Chameleon, and use the Verify or Repair Files option. This will replace any damaged files automatically. Solution 3. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause crashes, black screens, and performance issues. Download and install the latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics drivers from the official manufacturer website and restart your PC afterward. Solution 4. Install Visual C++ and DirectX. Missing runtime components can cause launch failures and crashes. Install the latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables and DirectX runtime packages, then restart your PC. Solution 5. Check for Windows updates. Missing Windows updates can cause compatibility issues with newer games. Open Windows Update, install all available updates including optional updates, and restart your computer. Solution 6. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous methods work, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall MECCHA Chameleon completely, restart your PC, and then install the latest version of the game again. So those are some of the best fixes for MECCHA Chameleon not launching, crashing, not loading, freezing, and black screen issues on PC. In most cases, the problem is caused by corrupted game files, outdated drivers, overlay conflicts, or missing system components. Hopefully one of these methods helped get the game running normally again. If this video helped you, leave a like, subscribe, and comment below which fix worked for you.